In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in Xero. We'll walk through each step so that you can seamlessly incorporate your products into this popular accounting platform. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or just looking to brush up on your Xero skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So let's dive in and get started with Xero. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to register for one on Xero's website. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Xero dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your business finances. Now, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Hover over the Business section. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Products and Services. This section is where you manage all the items your business sells, giving you control and oversight over your product inventory. When you're in the Products and Services section, you'll notice a button labeled New Item on the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on that to start adding a new product. In the New Item window, you'll need to decide the type of item you're adding. Since we're adding a product, you'll select Product under the item type. This distinction is essential because Xero also allows you to add services, which have different details. Next, you'll need to enter an item code and name for the product. The item code is optional, but it's helpful if you have a specific reference you'd like to use for searching or categorizing your products later. The name, however, is essential and should accurately reflect what your product is. Moving on, under Sales Information, you'll find a checkbox labeled I sell this item. Ensure this is checked if the product you're adding is something you sell. Fill in the description field with details that help identify or explain your product to potential customers or within your organization. Set the unit price, which is the standard selling price for the product, and choose the appropriate income account, often labeled as sales, to ensure that all your sales data aligns correctly within your financial statements. Optionally, you can also provide purchases information by checking I purchased this item, which helps track costs or inventory purchases if applicable to your business. This is particularly useful for businesses that need to keep track of stock levels, allowing for seamless integration with your purchasing processes. Once you've filled out all the relevant fields and you're satisfied with the details you've entered, the last step is to click Save. This confirms all the information and adds your new product to Xero. That's it! You've successfully added a product into Xero. You can now track it in your inventory, handle sales, and monitor purchases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.